Good morning, students. I am Sarnata Nayak from Purkapalli Panchayat High School, Birtula. Welcome to all today's virtual class Sundargarh. Today we are going to discuss about the non-detailed text, the first part of the first tip. It is based on the girls' education. Today's slogan is the education for all. So, students, all are you like to listening the story or video also? So, then start and we will see a small or short video on the smart board. You watch the video.
मीना, तूने मेरे कपड़े धो के नहीं डाले अभी तक?
संभाल के पाठशाला जाना।
हाँ माँ।
और ये टिफिन खा लेना, भूलना मत।
अच्छा, बाय बाय।
बाय बेटा।
माँ,
क्या हुआ बेटा?
माँ मुझे भी पाठशाला जाना है।
सुनिए,
क्या है?
हमारी मीना ना पाठशाला जाना चाहती है। हमारी बेटी पढ़ना चाहती है।
क्या करेगी पढ़ लिख के? आखिर में इसको भी तो चूल्हा चौका ही करना है तेरी तरह।
हमारी मीना ना पाठशाला जाना चाहती है। हमारी बेटी पढ़ना चाहती है।
क्या करेगी पढ़ लिख के? आखिर में इसको भी तो चूल्हा चौका ही करना है।
मीना, ये क्या किया बेटा?
मुझे भी पढ़ना है। मुझे भी पाठशाला जाना है।
हाँ बेटी, तू भी पाठशाला जाएगी, जरूर जाएगी। देखती हूँ तुझे पढ़ने से कौन रोकता है।
बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ।
Then students, you watch the video. In this video, a small girl want to go to the school and her father refused her to send to the school. So she was very depressed. In this lesson also, we will read the negligence of the education of the girls due to his illiteracy and poverty of our society. So students, let's proceed our class on the smart board. Then students, you are seeing a picture. Who is she? She is Malala Yousafzai from Pakistan. Why we know the Malala Yousafzai? In 2014, Malala received the Nobel Peace Prize for her courageous and dangerous fight for girls' right to education. So we all are know to the Malala Yousafzai. Okay students, then we proceed our lesson, the first tip. There are 4 characters in the first tip. We will discuss the first part of the first tip. The important characters are Chelapa, Amu, Chini and Mrs. Mohan. Chelapa, this is Chelapa. Amu, this is Amu. Then Chini, he is Chini. Then Mrs. Mohan. Mrs. Mohan. So students, we will discuss the first tip, the first part. The important point of the story. Dear students, we will divide two parts of the first part of the story. The first one is Amu's house and family, and other than is Chelapa's decision to send Chinni to school and Amu to be a maid. Amu's house and family. At first we know about the Amu's house and her family. Okay students? So students, he is the Chelapa and she is the Amu. Chelapa said, Amu, wake up and make tea for me. Chelapa said to the Amu. Amu is a daughter of Chelapa. Chelapa was a watchman at the big house on the hill. She was 10 years old and her brother Chinni was 5 years old. She had lost her mother. They used to live in a room in the servant quarters of the big house. So when Chelapa said to the Amu to prepare tea, at that time Amu waked up and roughly shook. She was 10 years old girl. Amu yawned and rubbed. Yawn means hi, mariba, and rubbed off his sleep from her eyes. आँखी को से मली मली उठी आसिला. She rose with a sigh and took the vessel of the milk her father held out. ता बापा कौन कले ताकू a vessel of milk, गोटे दूध ग्लास ताकू हाथ रे धराई देली. Her eyes watered from the smoke that came out of she blew on the flame. ता आखिरे कौन हैला? आखिरे पानी आसिला. कौन पे पानी आसिला? से जेते बिले चुली रे फुंकी की चा तैयारी कला से धुआं रे कौन हैला? ता आखिरे पानी चली आसिला. Come outside, I want to talk to you, he ordered. Chelapa ordered to the Amu, come outside, I want to talk to you. Amu carried the glass of the tea and followed her father. Yesterday evening, Chelapa said, yesterday evening I learned that the new owner will be coming and they to occupy the house. He began. I was asked if a reliable maid would work there and I suggested your name at once. Why the Chelapa said Amu? Because Chelapa is a watchman of the big house. So Chelapa wanted her daughter Amu work there to be maid. Look at the smart board. Chelapa was the watchman at the big house on the hill. The owner had died a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago means 2 months before. 2 मास पूर्वरु कौन है जी? The owner had died. The owner's sister's daughter was coming to live there. The people on the neighborhood wondered when the new owner would come to live there. Wondered means wanted to some things. The neighbor also wanted to know about the owner's sister's daughter. So students, Chelapa told to the Amu, the money will be useful. Money will be useful. Why the money will be useful? Because I need money to send Chinni to school. Who is Chinni? Chinni is the brother of the Amu. Chinni is the brother of the Amu. 5 years old. Her father replied hotly. से चाहूची Chinni को से स्कूल पठाइबा पाई. What about me? I would like to go to school too. Amu replied, I also want to go to school with my brother. But Chelapa said to the Amu, you are only a girl. You are only a girl. Of what use will education be to you? You will get married even before you finish the 3rd grade. तृतीय कि चतुर्थ क्लास पहुंचवा पूर्व तुम कौन करिवो? तुम विवाह करिवो. So you need not go to the school. Only Chinny will get a good job if he is educated, her father retorted. ता बापा चेलापा से रिक्षय से कहले जे तुमरो स्कूल जीवा दरकार नहीं. Only the Chinny will go to the school. Why Chinny will go to the school? If the Chinny will go to the school, then he will get a good job. Then students, what happened? Amu turned away to hide her tears. She wished that her mother was alive. She would not have allowed Chelapa to speak uncaringly. Her mother would have let Amu go to school at least to learn the alphabet. Amu turned away to hide her tears. ता लुहकु से लुचाई देला. She remembered her mother. She has lost her mother. So at that time she remembered about her mother. If her mother alive, then her mother wants to send to the Amu to go to the school. So she was very unhappy to listening the Chelapa's order. She would not have allowed Chelapa to speak uncaringly. Her mother would have to have let Amu to go to school at least to learn the alphabet. Alphabet ଶିଖିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହେଲେ ତା ମା କଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ? ତାକୁ ସ୍କୁଲ କୁ ପଠାଇ ଥାନ୍ତି. Amu said the Chelapa, I will be busy all day at the big house. So come there at 9 o'clock to clean the house. What said Chelapa? Chelapa said to his daughter, you will reach the big house at 9 o'clock. For what? To clean the house. To clean the house. I want to the new owner to get a good impression. ता जो नुआ लेडी आसीबे सेई रूम रे रहिबा पई ताको हमें कोन करिबा? तांको इंप्रेशन हमें करिबा भलो काम करिकी. But before that you clean our house, Chelapa said. ता पूर्वरु कोन करिवो से? ता पूर्वरु Amu cleaned their home, which was a room in the servant quarters of the big house. सेमाने केउ ठाई रहउतले? They were living the servant quarters. Servant quarters of the big house. Before reaching the big house, the Amu washed all the clothes and cleaned her room. Before having her own bath, she packed her father's lunch and walked to the big house. से कौन कला ता बापा पाई lunch पैक करिकी she went to the big house. So students, it was the first part of the first tip. When the Amu wants to go to the school, at that time her father refused to Amu to send to the school. So Amu also expressed her eagerness to go to the school. She wants at least she know the alphabet, but her father refused to go to the school. Then students, you see flow chart. There are some main idea of your topic. Amu, wake up and make tea for me. A hand roughly shook the 10-year-old girl awake. Then she rose with a sigh and took the vessel of milk her father held out. In this chart, you read some point of this topic. Then it helps you to remember the topic clearly. So students, these are the comprehension questions for you. Answer the following questions. There are 5 questions. You read and try to understand and do this. So students, this was all about of the first part of the first step. It is based on the negligence of the women's or girls' education. Here Chelapa do not want to send his daughter Amu to go to the school, but Amus want to go to the school for read. So Amus want to go to the school. At that time, her father refused her because her father was wanting to earn some money for his son. Because Chini was the son of the Chelapa, so when the Chini will go to the school, he earn money for his family. So it is the first part of the, or it is the theme of the first part. So students, thank you.